St. Paul's Vijayanagar, established in 2001, is a co-educational and the first CBSE affiliated school of Vijayanagar, believing that each child has the capacity to be different, quirky, inimitable, and unique. This school strives to bring out and nurture the inner qualities of these young minds with quality education and motivate them to be perceived.
Co-curricular activities engage students in engagements with an emphasis on interdisciplinary instructions. These activities strive to encourage students to become lifelong apprentices and dynamic citizens with global standpoint. Keeping this in mind, various clubs of the school like Eco Club, Art and Craft Club, Maths Club, Cyber Club, Sports Club, Science Club, Literary Club, Cultural Club, Music and Dance Club organized different activities for the overall development of the students. Eco Club as a green club is a voluntary group which promotes the participation of students in learning about their environment. A series of competitions were organized to experience and enrich the students with awareness to save their environment. Our primary students made posters using green color and secondary students wrote slogans on the topic Save Earth. Our senior students decorated their bulletin boards using waste materials. Tree plantation is essential for a healthier planet and combating climate change. So, the Eco Club took a green initiative by planting trees to nurture a greener and more eco-conscious campus.
Art and craft activities were conducted by the Art and Craft Club of our school to provide limitless opportunities for creative minds with the